5G stands for fifth generation and is the latest generation of wireless technology for cellular networks. 5G offers significantly faster data speeds compared to previous generations. It has the potential to reach speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, Gbps, which is around 100 times faster than 4G LTE. One of the key advantages of 5G is its lower latency. Latency refers to the time it takes for data to travel between devices. 5G aims to reduce latency to as low as 1 millisecond, making it ideal for applications that require real-time communication, such as autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, and virtual reality. 5G networks use higher frequency radio waves compared to previous generations. This allows for greater data capacity and faster speeds. However, these higher frequency waves have shorter range and are more easily blocked by obstacles like buildings and trees. To overcome this, 5G networks use a combination of macrocells, small cells, and massive MIMO, multiple input multiple output, antennas to ensure widespread coverage. With 5G, it is expected that the number of connected devices and the Internet of Things, IoT, will increase significantly. 5G networks are designed to handle a massive number of devices simultaneously, which will enable the growth of smart cities, smart homes, and various other IoT applications. 5G technology offers improved network reliability and stability. It uses advanced features such as network slicing, which allows operators to partition the network into virtual networks customized for specific use cases, ensuring that different types of services receive the required quality of service. The deployment of 5G networks requires significant infrastructure upgrades, including the installation of new antennas and base stations. This process is ongoing in many countries, and it may take several years for 5G to achieve widespread coverage globally. 5G is expected to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, entertainment, and agriculture. It will enable advancements in areas like telemedicine, autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, immersive augmented and virtual reality experiences, and more. Concerns have been raised about the potential health effects of 5G radiation. However, multiple scientific studies and regulatory bodies, including the World Health Organization, WHO, have stated that the current evidence does not support the claim that 5G technology poses significant health risks. 5G is not meant to replace existing technologies like Wi-Fi. Instead, it will work alongside Wi-Fi and other wireless technologies to provide a seamless connectivity experience. Wi-Fi will continue to be important for local area networks and indoor coverage, while 5G will focus on wide area coverage and high-speed mobility. 5G networks use a combination of different frequency bands, including low band, mid band, and high band, also known as millimeter wave or millimeter wave. Low band offers wider coverage but slower speeds, while high band provides faster speeds but shorter range. Mid band strikes a balance between coverage and capacity. The increased data capacity of 5G networks allows for more devices to connect simultaneously without experiencing significant slowdowns. This is especially important in crowded areas like stadiums, concert venues, and urban centers where many devices are in use simultaneously. The Internet of Things, IoT, is expected to benefit greatly from 5G technology. With its ability to support a massive number of connected devices, 5G enables the widespread deployment of smart sensors, smart meters, and other IoT devices, facilitating advancements in areas like smart homes, smart cities, and industrial automation. 5G networks can provide more reliable and consistent connections in high-demand situations. This is achieved through techniques such as network slicing, which allows operators to dedicate specific portions of the network to different services or applications, ensuring better performance and reliability. The deployment of 5G is a global effort, with countries around the world working to build their 5G infrastructure. Different regions may have different approaches and timelines for 5G rollout, depending on factors like regulatory frameworks, spectrum availability, and investment priorities. 5G technology is not limited to mobile networks. It also has potential applications in fixed wireless access, FWA, which can provide high-speed internet connectivity to homes and businesses without the need for traditional wired connections. The development of 5G technology has spurred innovation and investments in various industries. It has created opportunities for new business models, products, and services. Companies are exploring the potential of technologies like edge computing, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality to harness the full capabilities of 5G. 5G networks are expected to contribute to the growth of autonomous vehicles and smart transportation systems. The low latency and high reliability of 5G enable real-time communication between vehicles, infrastructure, and pedestrians, enhancing road safety and enabling advanced features like autonomous driving and traffic management. The global economic impact of 5G is projected to be significant. According to a report by the GSM Association, GSMA, by 2034, 5G is expected to contribute $2.2 trillion to the global economy, supporting 22 million jobs worldwide. As 5G continues to evolve, further advancements are expected in areas such as network slicing, edge computing, and virtualization. These technologies will enable more efficient use of network resources, improved scalability, and the ability to deliver tailored services for specific industries and use cases. The field of 5G is dynamic, and new developments and advancements continue to emerge as the technology evolves. 5G technology introduces beamforming, a technique that allows the network to focus its signal directly towards a specific device, improving signal strength and reducing interference. This targeted approach enhances network performance and efficiency. The Internet of Things, IoT, devices connected to 5G networks can benefit from extended battery life. 5G introduces a feature called Low Power Wide Area (LPWA) technology, which allows IoT devices to operate on a single charge for several years, making it ideal for applications like smart agriculture, asset tracking, and environmental monitoring. 5G networks are designed to support network slicing, which enables the creation of virtual networks within the main infrastructure. Network slicing allows operators to allocate specific portions of the network to different industries or services, providing customized connectivity solutions with specific requirements for latency, bandwidth, and security. The automotive industry is expected to leverage 5G technology to advance connected cars and autonomous driving. 5G networks can provide the low-latency, high-bandwidth connections required for real-time communication between vehicles, infrastructure, and the cloud, enabling features like remote vehicle control, real-time traffic updates, and enhanced safety measures. The implementation of 5G networks has the potential to bridge the digital divide by providing high-speed internet access to rural and underserved areas. The increased data capacity and improved coverage of 5G can help close the connectivity gap and enable digital inclusion for communities with limited access to reliable broadband. 5G networks are being deployed in various parts of the world, with some countries taking a lead in adoption. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, countries like the United States, South Korea, China, and parts of Europe have made significant progress in rolling out 5G infrastructure. However, the pace of deployment may vary across regions and depend on factors like spectrum availability and regulatory frameworks. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, with 5G networks can unlock new capabilities and enhance network performance. AI and ML algorithms can be used for network optimization, predictive maintenance, and intelligent traffic management, improving efficiency and user experience. 5G technology enables the use of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, applications on mobile devices. The high data speeds and low latency of 5G networks support real-time, immersive experiences, such as virtual meetings, interactive gaming, and remote training, opening up new possibilities for entertainment, education, and collaboration. The security and privacy aspects of 5G networks are crucial considerations. As 5G brings more devices online and connects critical infrastructure, ensuring robust security measures becomes paramount. Efforts are being made to develop advanced encryption, authentication, and privacy frameworks to safeguard data and protect against cyber threats. 5G is not limited to mobile devices but also extends to various sectors, including healthcare, energy, manufacturing, and smart cities. These industries can leverage 5G technology to enhance operational efficiency, enable real-time monitoring, and drive innovation in their respective domains.